Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. This is a weekly forex analysis, and we'll start with Euro USD as usually. Maybe before I start, I would like to draw your attention to my Google Plus account and to the comments and posts I share with you during the week. Let's have a look on this 24th of October, so that was last Thursday. I usually, in most cases, in most my trade setups, I usually prepare my subscribers for the coming changes. Okay, so I've shown you a possible target zone, reversal zone for this currency, for this currency pair. So if you check regularly my comments on the Google Plus, you could prepare yourself for the coming trade setup. Okay, so this is what I've shown to all of my subscribers. And now let's have a look on the analysis itself. Okay, I've added these descriptions here because sometimes you can find it in the books. So this is an XA wave, A to B, B to C, and C to D. It is in order to describe this butterfly pattern, because this butterfly pattern may develop this right arm here on this in this side. Okay, so this can keep on going and end up somewhere here. This is one of the possibilities. Of course, the very common level is this one, 161.8. So this is what we can say or prepare ourselves for the coming development in the future. Okay, considering this candle, you can see that this candle is touching the Bollinger upper band right now. Okay, so in these areas the markets usually make some reversals. Okay, so this is the area where the market can reverse. There is a resistance line. The market can touch this resistance line, can turn around here once again. So this is quite typical for the markets. You can check it here. Okay, there was a reversal signal. We don't have a reversal signal on the candles yet. Okay, so this is not that sure that it will happen straight away, but this may happen. Okay, I will show you why it could happen very soon, or it could happen right now. If you check this movement, the markets touch the Bollinger upper band, but you do not see any strong reversal signal until this moment. Okay, this is the reversal signal. Okay, this is another strong reversal signal in the area of Bollinger upper band. You've got here strong reversal signal in the area of Bollinger lower band. Those are reversal signals. Okay, so you can prepare yourself for such situations. And now, considering those Fibos and considering this butterfly pattern, you can say, okay, there's a high possibility that the market will make a move. It will move to the upside. Okay, but let's check the weekly charts in order to try to predict whether the market may reversal right now. I've got a few Fibo 161 levels from those movements here, and all those levels ended on that level here, on that level, and on top of that I've measured the whole movement, this downward movement, because I used to have I wasn't sure whether this is a 5 or 3, and it was more than a 5 than a 3, but considering this as a 5 wave to the downside, this whole movement could be a kind of correction. Okay, and if you check these black Fibo levels, you will find that the market has reacted very precisely to this 61.8 level. Okay, very exact, very precisely, up to the point, almost up to the point. Okay, the market was reacting to that point, and that is the reason why I've sent you this this signal, this short trade signal. Okay, my initial entry was at 138.31. I've changed it. You've got it in your emails to 138.14, and finally I've changed it once again to 138.33 just in order to give those who are too late in order to enter into this trade setup, because we already made at least 20 pips on this trade setup, and this table shows only the initial entry and then the last update. Okay, I ask my IT people to change it just so each price will be shown, but this will take some time. So just in order to explain it, so this is not a mistake. There was a price 138.14 because of this development, because I spotted it later and I thought, okay, good, that's the point where the market is reacting already in this yellow zone. Okay, so that is the reason why the market has reacted that precisely. And if you check that price here, 161.8, it's exactly 138.31. Okay, so that is the reason why I sent you initially this level. During when you analyze the markets, the table, this platform, they are showing price levels, yeah, but the prices may be set up a little bit earlier, so that the forex market is a moving market, yeah. So the brokers they show you the price, but this is very fast, yeah, and it takes some time for the whole forex market to set up a price, okay, and it may happen that after a day or two you've got a slightly different level here by 1 pips or 2 pips. So that's why the market is now showing 138.31. Okay, so that is the reason. And the day before, or few days before, the market was reacting to the price of 138.24. Okay, so that was on the 24th, and my signal was sent on the 24th. Okay, and this was based on that line, on this reaction, because I spotted this reaction, and so that was the reason I changed it from 38.31 to 38.14, because it was already happening. It was already, the market was already going down here. It was already going down here. Okay, and you could have made this at least 20 pips with this trade setup. Okay. Okay, so that is the explanation regarding this movement, and now you know how you can prepare yourself based on my comments on this Google Plus. I do comment every single trade I prepare myself and prepare my subscribers for just to take those trades. Okay. Now there is another point you can have a look on it. There's a upward channel. Okay, the market is moving in this channel, and got the lower boundary, and I moved this lower. I made a copy of it and moved this lower boundary at the extreme of the wave 3, which gave me an level where the wave 5 can end. Okay, and the 5 could end at 138.48 or 138.50, around that level. So if the market opens tomorrow in the evening around that level, and you can spot some reversal signal on the 1 minute or 5 minute just after the market is opened, you can enter into that price. You can be prepared for this situation as well. Okay, so it doesn't give you 100% guarantee, but that can give you a kind of sorry. So you can be more confident that this reversal area is the right one. Okay, so let's put it that way. Okay, so coming back to the weekly. Weekly is a green candle, and most probably, based on the weekly chart, the market will be still willing to go long because of this monthly candle. Yeah? So if the market starts breaking through those levels here, okay, if the market can break this 61.8, it's not a 100% guarantee that it won't. Yeah, it can happen, of course. Yeah, it can happen straight away. We don't know what will happen. Yeah. but there are chances that the market may reverse here and go to the downside again. Okay, so this is what could happen. Okay, based on this 4 hours chart, you can see that best trade setups, reversal trade setups, they develop outside the Bollinger upper band, especially on the 4 hours chart. Okay, so there's a chance that the market will go to the upside, make a reversal here, and then start falling down again. I've shown this, also commented on the Google Plus. This, okay, there's a signal, a reversal signal on the RSI. This is usually happens a bit earlier. This break happens a bit earlier before the market starts breaking to the downside and breaking its support lines. Okay, this is one of the support lines. This is a little bit too deep because the market was stopped by the Bollinger middle band. In this case, there's another example. I was talking about it when I was discussing and showing you how to trade based on the support lines. Okay, so maybe I should adjust it. It's not ready yet, but I can really try to adjust it a little bit. Maybe do it once again when the market reopen again tomorrow evening or during the Monday day, and then I will have a nice support line. Okay, so as said, a reversal signal can happen here on candles very soon as well. Okay, so that is the situation on the Euro USD. Okay, we've got a break through the support line on the 1 hour chart already as well. Yeah, this happened on Friday. Okay, Friday is usually a little bit slower, okay, because of the coming weekend. Okay, so the traders, I used to not to trade on Fridays, yeah, in the beginning, yeah. So because it's a little bit more risky, more tricky. Okay, so you should be a little bit cautious and not yeah. It depends, of course. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. If you're not that experienced, I mean, if you haven't entered with a very precise level like here, okay, so it's better to leave it and wait for another entry, especially on Fridays. Okay, good. So that is the situation on the Euro USD. Let's go to the Euro Chinese yen. Monthly looks like a stronger candle which can react to those tops, to those dojis, to those tops here. So it can reverse as well. On the daily, on the weekly, sorry, we've got a smaller candle which is not a strong one. It looks like the market is respecting those levels here. So because I was already talking about a possible reversal on that level, and it looks like that the fifth wave has been made this week, the last week. Okay, so it happened around here, and it happened very strongly on the 23rd in the night during the Asia session. It was very strong the day before. The market went to the upside quite strongly, but then reversed also very strongly. I was also commenting that you should be aware of the situation, not to enter into a long position, because there could be a very nice short trade setup, and it happened indeed, but in the night. Yeah, we are in the Europe, so yeah, it's not that easy to trade during the night. Yeah, very simple. Okay, good. Coming back to that, as said earlier, there are also chances for the market to go to that level, to go to the upside and to make a new top, another top, while the MACD indicator won't be able to reach new high. So we'll make so-called a lower high. This will be called then divergence. We've got already divergence because the market got a new top, but the MACD indicator, it will need a little bit more time, and what I could imagine that the market start falling down, go to the upside again, and in the same time, so the market won't be able to make a new high, and the MACD indicator will make a lower high, and this in that case we will have convergence instead of divergence. We will have a convergence. Good. Okay, so Now, yeah, I could imagine another correction in that area, AVC correction. Okay, so if the market won't be able to trigger that low, it would mean that the market is making another correction in this area, like here, and there are still chances for the market to go to the upside, especially the MACD indicator hasn't broken the zero line yet. Okay, you can see we are close to the zero, but now looks like we are getting green. Okay, so that could be an indication that the market is still not able to break through that, and we'll have to wait a little bit more for a downward movement. Okay, and the RSI had a nice top above the 70 level, and now in that move the RSI indicator won't be able to break higher than this top, and this will indicate that the bulls are getting weaker and weaker, so the bears are getting stronger and stronger. Okay, so then we may have a nice downward movement. So maybe we have to wait a little bit more. Okay, and support line on the 1 hour chart. So this is what a break through that could be a sign for a short trade setup, but then we have to consider whether we will be somewhere in the area of Bollinger Middle Band. So there is another point, but I will leave it like that at the moment. I will come back to that during the weekly updates, or during the updates on the Google Plus. I write regularly, a few at least a day. Okay, let me check how long is this video right now. Okay, it's 15 minutes. Good. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen monthly. There are a few levels. I could imagine the market will end this upward movement, 161.47. There is another level like 165. I could imagine it. This one will be equal with those tops here. So this looks quite strong. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm still considering the market to make another move to the upside, and then we will have a very nice divergence. Okay, divergence, and this right arm of this butterfly pattern could develop up to that level. Okay, I've shown it last week, and we got a similar situation with this RSI like on the Euro Japanese yen. So there could be another move around here. Then we have a nice support line for this RSI, and a break through the support line will indicate a trend change. Okay, daily support line on the daily. This is a strong one, important one. Okay, especially the market is above that support line still. Okay, so waiting for the break. 4 hour. Okay, this is the strong downward movement. There's the question that this is a correction and we'll have another move to the upside, or we will continue this correction. Okay, both scenarios are possible. As said, a break through that will indicate a selling power. Okay, so this is my opinion. Good. Euro, USD, Japanese yen. This triangle I was talking about last week. So you can see the market reacted to the lower boundary of this triangle, and if this Euro Japanese will keep up on going up to this level, so the Great Britain pound and Euro Japanese yen, they both should keep on moving to the upside. Yeah? So this will be the same, the equals movement. Okay. Weekly, we are below the Bollinger Middle Band, but anyway, monthlies, there are two dojis on the monthlies. The market is still, I think it's still the fourth corrective wave. So this is the still fourth corrective. We'll make another move, then to the E leg, and then finally break through this most probably through this resistance line. Okay, so this will take this will take time, so we have to be a bit more patient. Good. Great Britain pound, USD monthly. Okay, so that's the monthly situation. I was already talking about it. This is one leg to the downside. Second wave, corrective wave. Third, the strongest one. That's the fourth. So there should be another leg to the downside, fifth wave. Most probably, this is still possible. Still possible. Weekly, we got a doji 88.6. This is one of the last levels, if you would like to consider it as a correction. Okay, if the market break through that top, this won't be, this will not be any correction anymore. This will be something different. Okay, maybe a new upward movement. I don't know yet. Okay, let's put it like that. So I adopt to the situation I see, or I can find on the charts. Yeah, I do not try to trade every single move I see. I tried the best ones. Yeah, so I make profits every single month. So that is very important. Doji. Okay, so the market may prepare itself for the coming change. Okay, indecision. Doji represents indecision. Daily support line, red one already broken. Another one, the blue one. In one of my comments on the Google Plus a few days, I think more than 10 days ago, I was talking about that top. Okay, because I was thinking that the market will reach, by that movement here, will reach that top. Okay, it hasn't been reached. It can be reached now. Yeah, I mean, still it is still possible. So it's around 163. So this is also possible, and then the market can reverse strongly in that area. So this could be possible. Especially we will have a new top, and the market and the MACD indicator won't be able to make a new top. This will be a lower high. So we'll have a divergence. Okay, the market is making a top, and the MACD indicator is making a lower high. This will be an indication for a trend change as well. Okay, so that's the situation on a daily. 4 hours chart. Yeah, looks still like a correction. So the possibility to go to the upside is still there. So that's my opinion. This is the 1 hour chart. I've also talked about it in the Google comments. I've shown you because I used to have this. You have to adjust support lines. Yeah, this is important. Yeah? You have to adjust support lines, and let's have a look what happened around here. So you have to remember that we had a weekly green candle, strong green, so the tendency to the upside, and you've got this situation, this support line, and this candle was stopped at this support line. Okay, this candle wasn't able to break it, so this is not a short trade setup. Then you see it, the next one is green, so this is not strong. This is most probably a false signal. It is a false signal. It was a false signal, even it was broken here. So those who entered into a short position here, they could get out of it with some profits. Yeah, but this is not a perfect trade setup. The market went to the upside. Okay. Finally, if you adjust it, and I adjust it and I show it to my subscribers so everyone is aware of it. I've adjusted. We've got this break, but still again, weekly is green. So, and this is a Friday afternoon, a break through this support line. It gives some profits, and it may develop to a downside because of this doji candle I was already talking about. Yeah, but at that moment, yeah, there are still some bulls here, so there are still some upward movements. Yeah? So it's not that perfect. You have to be looking and be patient for a perfect trade setup. But if you get a perfect trade setup, you will make your profits. Yeah? So this is very important on a forex market. Yeah, it's not about making 100 pips in 1 week or 1,000 euro in one week and then losing this 1,000 euro in the next day, or then the other 2 days, or losing 1,500 pips, euros, yeah, or US dollars. Yeah, so it depends. Yeah, but as I said, it's very important for yourself just to be patient and to stick to your rules. If you break your rules, you most probably go to the bankruptcy. Good. Gold. Okay, so there are some signs, some possibilities for the market, for the gold market to end up its correction, and the market can or has already started an upward movement. Okay, weekly, a green one broke through this support line, for this Bollinger Middle Band. Daily, I was talking about it last week, ABC correction, very precise, very exact. The market went to the upside, and now it's starting breaking, or has broken already this blue support line, resistance line. Sorry, yeah, this resistance line. Okay, this is now broken. This is now broken, and yeah, this is actually a long trade setup for some traders. Yeah, but in that case, you have to go long with a short, at least below that one, better below that one. Yeah, so this is a difficult one. Yeah, difficult one. So most probably, if this is already an impulse to the upside, the market will make a correction, and if the correction will be right, I may send you a long trade setup, a long trade signal on for the gold. Yeah, so this could be then a nice trade setup. So that is what I can imagine regarding gold. And yeah, so that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I think it's worth to stick with my analysis and to watch my analysis. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Goodbye.